Bay windows are a stunning architectural feature that adds charm, natural light, and expanded views to any home. However, to maintain their beauty and functionality, proper care and cleaning are essential. Homeowners in Meridian can extend the lifespan of their bay windows by following a regular maintenance routine. This guide outlines the best practices for cleaning and preserving bay windows, ensuring they remain in excellent condition for years to come. Why bay window maintenance is important. Regular upkeep of your bay windows prevents common issues such as dirt buildup, mold growth, and frame deterioration. The varying weather conditions in Meridian, from hot summers to cold winters, can cause wear and tear on window materials. By implementing a routine maintenance plan, you can preserve the window's aesthetic appeal, improve energy efficiency, prevent costly repairs or replacement, enhance the overall value of your home. Routine cleaning tips for bay windows. Gather necessary cleaning supplies. Before starting, ensure you have the following supplies: microfiber cloths or soft sponges, mild dish soap and warm water, or white vinegar for a natural cleaning solution, a squeegee, soft bristled brush, a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, cleaning the glass panels. Bay windows typically have multiple glass panels, making thorough cleaning essential. Mix a solution of warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Use a microfiber cloth or sponge to wipe the glass gently. For streak-free cleaning, use a vinegar water solution in a squeegee to remove excess liquid. Wipe dry with a lint-free cloth to prevent water spots. Cleaning the window frames. The material of your window frames determines the best cleaning method. Wood frames. Use a damp cloth with mild soap to wipe down the surface. Avoid excessive moisture to prevent warping. Vinyl frames. Clean with a mixture of water and vinegar, then wipe dry. Aluminum frames. Use a non-abrasive cleaner to remove dirt and oxidation, then dry with a soft cloth. Maintaining window tracks and seals. Dust and debris can accumulate in the tracks, making it difficult to open and close your windows. To clean them, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove dirt. Wipe the tracks with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Preventative maintenance for longevity. Regular maintenance can help avoid damage and extend the lifespan of your bay windows. Here are some preventative measures to take. Inspect for damage regularly. Check your windows periodically for signs of damage, including cracked or broken glass, warped or rotting frames, drafts or air leaks around the seals, difficulty opening or closing the windows. Addressing these issues early can prevent more extensive repairs later. Protect against moisture damage. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth and wood rot. To prevent this, ensure proper sealing around the windows to prevent water infiltration. Use a dehumidifier in rooms with high humidity. Wipe away condensation that collects on window panes. Maintain caulking and weather stripping. Caulking and weather stripping help with insulation and energy efficiency. Check for gaps or cracks in the caulking and reapply as needed. Replace worn-out weather stripping to maintain a tight seal. Protect against UV damage. The strong sun in Meridian can cause fading and deterioration of window materials. Use UV-blocking window films or treatments to reduce exposure. Consider installing window coverings, such as blinds or curtains, to protect interiors. Seasonal maintenance consideration. Spring and summer. Check for insect nests or debris buildup around windows. Wash windows thoroughly to remove pollen and dust. Inspect seals for any wear and tear after temperature changes. Fall and winter. Clear away fallen leaves and debris from exterior ledges. Check for drafts and apply insulation where needed. Ensure proper drainage around the windows to prevent ice buildup. Conclusion. Bay windows are a beautiful and functional feature in any home, but they require regular maintenance to stay in top condition. By implementing a routine cleaning and upkeep schedule, homeowners in Meridian can ensure their bay windows remain energy efficient, visually appealing, and long-lasting. Whether it's wiping down glass panes, sealing gaps, or inspecting for damage, proactive care will prevent costly repairs and enhance the longevity of your investment. Take the time to care for your bay windows, and they will continue to enhance your home for years to come.